Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send GroupMe invite link. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an invite link on GroupMe. As you can see, I found this article from the official Microsoft website, and it provides methods for every type of device. On Windows, first select the chat you'd like to share, then click the group's avatar or profile picture in the top right corner, and select Settings. Turn on Share Group to enable sharing. Important note, if you enable sharing for a Campus Connect group, anyone with a link can join, even if they are not in the community. A list of shareable options will appear. Choose where you'd like to share the link or select Show QR Code for friends and scan Join. On Android, select the chat, tap the group's avatar, go to Settings, and turn on Enable Share Link. A list of shareable options will appear for you to choose from. For iOS, select the chat, tap the group's avatar, then go to Settings. On iPad, this is at the top of the group. Turn on Enable Sharing and select where you want to share the link. This method works across all devices and makes inviting new members easy and quick. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.